The Asus Zenbook Duo 2024 UX8406MA boasts several standout features that makes it a compelling choice for both tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Here are some of my favorite and coolest features as well as the best use cases. So, number one, starting off, the dual screen innovation, the ScreenPad Plus, a secondary touch pad located below the keyboard, which expands your work screen, basically doubling it to enhance your multitasking capabilities, and it can be used for extra apps, tools, making it a drawing surface, as well as a game changer for productivity and creativity. Number two, it has a vibrant OLED display. So it's a 14-inch 3K OLED main display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800, 120 Hz refresh rate, 500 nits of peak brightness. So it ensures excellent visibility even in bright environments, and it's doubled because you have a secondary screen with the exact same specifications. Number three, this laptop has an advanced cooling system. So the thermal technology actually includes a heat spreader between the motherboard and the second OLED panel, which allows the CPU and GPU to operate at high performance levels without thermal throttling. As well as it keeps the system cool under heavy loads. Number four, it has AI enhanced features. So Asus AI Sense camera, Asus AI noise cancellation provides clear professional video calls as well as advanced noise reduction for both incoming calls and outgoing audio. The camera ensures you look the best during your virtual meetings. Number five, it has a versatile set of use cases or use modes. You can use it as a regular laptop where it's flat and you have your keyboard. Number two can be a dual screen mode where you have two screens and your keyboard, which is separate. The third use case is obviously the stand-up mode. So you could stand it up, have two screens, you can have it as high as you want. Then you have a desktop mode, which is sort of a view like this, as well as a sharing mode where you can place it flat and use it like that. Number six, when it comes to my favorite features of the Zenbook Duo, is the fact that it has high-speed connectivity. Thunderbolt 4 ports this comes with two Thunderbolt 4 ports to ensure fast data transfers and versatile connectivity, along with an HDMI 2.1 port as well as a USB 3.2 port. So it ensures compatibility across a wide range of peripherals and external displays. Number seven is the fact that the keyboard is detachable as well as it has a Bluetooth connectivity. So even if you remove it, you can still use it. It is detachable. It is a full ErgoSense keyboard. So as well as your touchpad. So it's not just the keys. And on top of that, apart from this being removable, the screens are touch screens, as well as you get the the Asus pen that comes with the device. Number eight is the extended battery life. So you can have 13.5 hours of battery life with this device. And it could basically last you all day. And if it doesn't, it has fast charging capabilities to recharge up to 60% in just 49 minutes. So that makes it ideal for whether you're in the office or on the go. The ninth favorite feature of mine is the fact that it has the military 810H standard. So you know it's tough for whether you're working again in the office or you out and about. And my 10th favorite feature with the Asus Zenbook Duo is a high quality audio that comes out of these two speakers. So it has Harman & Kardon speakers, and it is equipped with a smart amp technology and built-in array of microphones for premium sound clarity as well as clear audio during calls and even media playback. So the features combined makes the Zenbook Duo a powerful, versatile tool for anyone needing a cutting-edge performance device with multitasking capabilities. Now, let's talk about some of the use cases of this device, because it has a variety of innovative use cases, particularly those who require multitasking, creativity, as well as enhanced productivity. Number one is enhanced multitasking. So you can have multiple applications running across the multiple screens for your device. Like for example, you might have a document open on one screen and a presentation on another, where you're taking information from one, putting it in another, or maybe even checking your mails as well. And because this device is only 1.5 kilograms, it's lightweight and you don't have to worry about lugging around huge devices and all of those things. The second feature is that this will allow for creative workflows. So whether you are graphic designing, video editing, whatever, you could have two things running at once and be working at the top of your ability because of the ScreenPad Plus. Like, you could have your timelines and everything here, and you can have your video display up here. You could be designing at the top, looking at inspiration at the bottom. It just unlocks so much more for you as a device. The third use case that I think is for streaming and content creation. So live streams, I mean, you could have one live stream running at the top, you could have the chat open at the bottom without the need of multiple screens, and I mean, you could go with this anywhere. So even like, I mean, content creation, you could have OBS opened, you could be creating content, you can be editing content like how we said, and it allows you a more immersive experience when you are streaming or editing as such, because there's no external monitors and all of those things. Even, I mean, in terms of content creation, you could have your script opened at the bottom and you're recording at the top, and none would be any wiser. The fourth use case that I might come across is programming and application development, because I mean, you could have two different IDEs opened. You could have the code open at the top and you could be debugging at the bottom. It gives you so much of flexibility in terms of what you're doing. Even in the case of web design, you could have the live view at the top, you could make your changes to the code at the bottom, and then you can be viewing your changes in live, making it more efficient. And the final use case that I find most interesting is for education and learning. Whether you're doing online studies in a good way, students can take notes at the bottom and have the lecturer at the top without having, again, to lug around massive screens. When you language learning, you can have translation tools open, dictionaries, even if you're learning a foreign language. Even in terms of research and writing, maybe you're writing a research paper, you can have your research information at the top and your paper at the bottom as you're writing it, and so on and so on. Same could be said about exams. You could have the exam open at the top, the answers at the bottom. Wink, wink. But yeah, guys, I mean, this device has inspired me ever since I saw it at the launch event. And to go from a Zenbook Duo that has a small 2-inch screen like this to one having dual 14-inch screens, Asus has taken a massive leap for this device. If you want to pick up one for yourself, there's a link in the description below to the Asus South Africa website, and this retails for 38,999 rands. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss on any of future content. But guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant, and I will catch you in the next video.